Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you can live with the audio. Audio is bad. I know I'm recording from a new laptop. There's something wrong. I don't know what. All right, so maybe I can fix it with the rendering. I'm not sure, but all right. You'll have to live with it or watch my video tomorrow again. For now, we'll focus on Fetch. All right, wanted to do a video on Fetch. Yesterday evening, of course, we had some big fundamentals with the Nvidia earnings. They beat the earnings, but if you watched my video yesterday, you would have already expected that I did not expect a pump after that. I expected some sort of a sell the news effect. Now, I think that in general, I think the Nvidia earnings actually were more of a non-news event in that, we got some bullish momentum ahead of that. Markets were already stronger. So that's great. But we also did not really have a sell the news effect. All right. We got, I think we got it right about here. So we did have a bit of a dump after the earnings. But it was a move of about 8%. So yeah, not bad, but it's not what we expected. And right now, I would actually say Fetch is quite stable here, which is interesting because what we do know, and now we can actually talk about the real fundamentals, is that Nvidia, even though a lot of companies have not beat their EPS expectations, their earnings expectations, um, Nvidia has. So that means something good for the AI sector, right? So that is actually bullish for Fetch. And then the fact that technically we're also holding our levels relatively well here, I'm actually fairly bullish on Fetch here. Now the thing is that if you look at Fetch right here, the momentum is not great, right? So the momentum yesterday, or if we zoom out a little bit with the open interest here, a lot of the momentum we saw yesterday evening was already a lot of short positions being opened. We still had long positions being opened yesterday. No, there was actually also it was also shorts being opened. Just in general, a lot of shorts have been opened. So even though the open interest seems to have gone up here, it's mostly in short orders, which is not what you want. You want long orders to be opened. But what that also means is that there's probably a lot of liquidity to the upside right here between 1.35 and 1.5. So ultimately, that's not bad. But the momentum for Fetch has gone down a bit, especially compared to the rally we had until last Tuesday. So that's the situation. Bitcoin is also laying low a little bit, of course. But if we zoom out, I can be nothing but bullish on Fetch. Because with that bullish momentum we had ahead of the Nvidia earnings, Fetch was still able to get this major bullish breakout above $1 and $1.1 support level. Came out a little bit weird, but that's a major support level. So on the daily time frame, we still have that major bullish breakout, and even though we don't really have the momentum to start a pump right now, I do still think that if the price gets back to 1.1 and $1, I think that's a guaranteed buy. For me, at least, it's a guaranteed buy. It's such a strong level also on the 3-day time frame, for example, that if the price gets back there, I feel like I have to buy. So I still think Fetch is bullish. I don't see any reason, except for if World War III starts, that we drop back down below $1. So if we drop back down there, which does seem quite likely right now, the price is being pushed down a bit. I will buy Fetch. From there, like I said, I see no indication of momentum, so I think we'll consolidate. But eventually, I do think that AI fundamentally is still bullish. So I still think we can get that bullish momentum, and there's a lot of liquidity, remember? So yeah, ultimately, this is what I expect. For now, market is relatively quiet, so I wouldn't expect too much. But like I said, drop back down into that level between 1.1 and $1 for me is an interesting buy area. We'll also send a signal on that if you're interested in that. I have my own signal group. So that's interesting. For now, it looks like we're dropping down there on a short term. And then if we hit that level, I'll be back with another update based on the reaction to that level and what to expect. For now, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.